Roger. 574 Battle. Welcome back to the fleet, your call. 377 lock on, 5 miles, continue. Roger, 177, 2 miles, slightly right of course. 404, Marshall Moms, 17023, Angels 8, button 15, push time 22 on course. 306, flight above flat path and hold on. 503, slightly above flat path coming down. Left of course, correct as well. 503, slightly above flat path coming down, going right of course. Level clear downwind quarter beam heading 120, stay safe. 377 right 5. We're doing 27 knots, corn, 27 corn. 177 final right contact, 8 miles left foot bridge. 377 left foot final bearing 297. 150 slightly above flat path on course, quarter mile possible. 557 right on flat path.
Fire approach, take Angels 2, report level, flight heading up 33, expecting 320.
306, coming down, flight above flat path.
205, resign, prepare, break, 306, 3/4 mile, on and on, call the ball.
306, 100 ball, 4.0, Caduceus.
205, roger.
Is a 201 mile an hour soft top. It's the Lamborghini Performante and it's powered by a 562 brake horsepower V10 engine under there. It's also got a sprinkling of carbon fibre everywhere to keep the weight down. So we're here at Bedford and we thought, what can we race this against? And then that carbon rear wing gave us an idea. So this is no ordinary track test. What we have here is one of the Blade's aerobatic planes. Unfortunately, we've also got their lead pilot, Miles Garland. Now, Miles, tell us about this plane.
Well, the aircraft is an extra 300. It's extremely manoeuvrable, cleared to plus or minus 10 G. The engine is a 6-cylinder, horizontally opposed, air-cooled engine producing about 300 horsepower. And for the weight of the airframe itself gives it a huge amount of grunt.
I think it's going to be a fairly close battle.
I think so. Looking forward to it.
We go. I can't believe we're doing this. I'm about to race an aeroplane. He's coming up behind me. We're going to try and time this to get a perfect flying start, literally in his case. I can't see where he is now. He's coming down 20 feet above, that's all. And there we go. And we're off. I might have 562 horsepower, but he's got 3 dimensions. Another plane that will call 9G. There he goes. The thing is, he's quicker through this kind of corner, but he's going to lose out when it comes to the hairpin, because he's going to have to go right up in the air. There he goes. So now this is where I can make up time on him. down the back straight, flat out to his left-hander. There he goes, up above me. Absolutely amazing. A little bit of a slide there. Get the nose of the car in. A little bit of oversteer. Use the four-wheel drive to help unleash that 562 horsepower. This car is capable of 201 miles an hour. We won't quite get up to that down this back straight, but we're already doing 150, 160 miles an hour. Hold on to the brakes for this chicane. Down to fourth gear. Through we go. A little bit of a slide. Flick it through here as quickly as we can, and then more braking into the final corner now, and across the line. What a race!
Bill Kurz at air show left. John Klatt at air show right. Smoke is on there. You see the black smoke coming out of Neil. John Klatt's inverted. It's race time. Oh boy. John Klatt ahead, John Klatt ahead, John Klatt ahead. Really good. Did you get that? How do you like it, ladies and gentlemen? Give it up for Max Adrenaline. I can't hear you.